Look at all the big trees everywhere. I see a hole in this one. I wonder who lives there. Let's climb up and see. Oh. Did you see the squirrel in that hole? That really scared me. Tree squirrels, like the one that you saw, live up in the trees. The trees give them a place to build their little homes and have their baby squirrels and nuts and seeds to eat. The squirrels, in turn, help the trees by planting seeds. Squirrels planting seeds? Well, the squirrel in fall finds a lot of seeds. Have you walked outside? There are so many acorns on the ground, which is one of the foods that the tree squirrels eat. So, the squirrel can't eat all of those acorns at the same time. So, what it does is it scurries around and hides the acorns in the ground. And sometimes it forgets about the acorns that it has hidden. So, what happens to the forgotten acorns? They grow to be new trees. And this is how the squirrel helps the trees. In this discovery kit, you will be exploring the squirrel's world, or the ecosystem that the squirrel lives in. You will have a nice picture of a typical tree squirrel ecosystem, and you will have pictures of squirrel food and some animals that can eat the squirrels. In an ecosystem, everything that's there, the trees, the soil, the water, the animals, everything exists together in a nice balance, and everyone can live happily. So you will also get a little squirrel in your kit, which you can pretend to have a home in your squirrel ecosystem. And cut out the pictures of its food and give the squirrel some food. And the animals that eat up the squirrels, hide them in the trees. See if your squirrel can escape these animals. You will also have some fun coloring pages and some fall leaves to color. Go outside and explore the actual world of the squirrels and come back and have fun with your little toy squirrel. Hope you have fun exploring the world of the squirrel. Until next kit, bye.